נמות פה, בואו הנה. נמות פה. כן, בוא לפה, נמות פה.
למה יעשה לך ככה? זה לילדים שלי. למה?
אלה גם ילדים שלך? אלה גם ילדים שלך?
כן.
אלה גם ילדים שלך.
זה, אני מדבר על מה?
יופי, בוא תעמדו איתנו פה, בוא.
Good, got dragged away, they're bulldozing now, they're taking out all the swings and everything, the rest get yoked on. Yeah, they're still bulldozing right now, but I mean, there's a lot of soldiers around. I mean, yeah, there were like 6 of us, so it's not much to do. Yeah, so it would still be good to have people. So I'm getting still to this. Look at what you're doing. Look at that. Look at it. No, I don't feel good. I'm watching a children's playground be destroyed. For nothing.
To make way for a giant concrete wall.
I don't think any human could feel good looking at that.
Like the US bombing Iraq.
I don't think that's good.
Okay.
No, I don't think that's good.
Iraq, there is no children in Iraq.
No, there are. I think that's
children
terrible.
in Iraq, yes?
Of course there are
There is no
children.
children in Vietnam, yes?
Firstly, I'm not American. I think you're doing the same kind of thing. I think it's awful.
There are multiple war crimes in the world. It does not diminish any of them individually.
למה שניתן את הצבא להרוג אנשים? למה? למה? למה אתה עושה צבא להרוג אנשים? למה? למה אתה עושה צבא? אני לא הייתי צבא. צבא להרוג אנשים. זה חתילות של מדינת ישראל. כדי להגן על השיפוט. למה? תגיע הביתה, מה עשית היום? הרסתי גם ילדים. האלימות, אני רואה את האלימות על הפרצופים.
Yeah, cover your ears, cover your eyes, pretend you're not doing this.
Go home and sleep great tonight. Have a great night. You can come back tomorrow morning and do it again.
טוב את האוזניים, טוב את האוזניים. טוב את האוזניים. אבל לא תוכל להתעלם ממה שאתה רואה.
אוקיי, במשנה זהירות מקפיד על שמירה על מרחק מנע ביצירות פתע ופתיע ברחב ופתע שזה יום מהדוד ים חדש 351-310
קורא לך יש אחד
Yeah, I got it.
Five-year-olds will cry themselves to sleep tonight because you destroyed their playground. They'll know this is wrong.
And someday you'll have 5-year-olds, and you'll want them to play on playgrounds that don't get destroyed by bulldozers. And those 5-year-olds will be no more or less precious than the children that play on this playground. Inshallah you will be someday, but it will be too late.
Nico. Thank you.